No, it's, let me wait. Me is the brush me. Shh. Shut up. It's already 4. How could you? 4. It's 4. It's 4 p.m. 9 years old, grade 4. No, 8 years old, it's grade 2. No. Shut up your mouth. You shut up your mouth. Shut up. You are not beautiful. It's a beautiful artist. Now we can study hard if you're smart. Guys, hello. I'm here in the comment section. You can watch my video in the comment section. Duh. It's a joke. You can watch my video if you see T and Juvelia. That's me. Shut up. You shut up. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Shut okay? Up. No one. That's for me. You iPad. This is for me iPad. This is my iPad. No. Bye guys. I comment. Check. This is your comment. Please guys, comment below in the comment section and subscribe. Joke. Or they can video to you. Okay. No, this is beautiful. Shut up. I will is so beautiful. Bye. I am foolish. This is beautiful. Hey, what are you looking for? This is. What are you looking for me? Oh, flamingo. How could you? This is camera. I cannot see my bread. Breakfast? Bread. Okay, now. Oh, it's my bread. I see my bread. Give me the bread. No. This is my bread. Yes, okay, bye guys. This is your mouth is on here. Guys, please comment down below what she can say to me. Please. No, guys. Punch them. Well, shut up your fix. This is. Guys, comment down below in the comment section. Please say what she can say to me. Okay. I broke the breakfast. This is not breakfast. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Shut up, my dear. How could you? Oh, sorry, guys. today is November 20. I can have to talk to you. What? To talk. I will say, what is the weather for today? Please comment below in the comment section what is the weather for today. And what is today? November. Please say. Is November. Please comment below. Can you say in the comment section what is today? Okay, you shut up. Hey, that's my video. Your oppa. Comment. This is unicorn. Unicorn. Favorite characters. Unicorn. Nope. Guys, I have to talk to you. I will say to you, what is your favorite character? Me, I'm Tinkerbell. Now my makeup is Tinkerbell. Please comment below in the comment section to say what is your favorite character. Get out! What is a get out? Hey, stop! Cover your mouth if you cough. What? Cough. What is your problem? Cover your mouth if you cough. Cough. I coughed. Emma. Coughed. Cafeteria. Oh, basi. Ano? Because you. No. You. Now I don't want to speak Tagalog. Cover your mouth if you cough. Shut up. Okay, what do you say? I will. Where's my friend? Where's my friend? Guys, where's my friend? Can you see them? Huh? She's not here, guys. What? Ow! You are a watermelon? You are a watermelon? Watermelon? Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow.